stars. Happy Tuesday. We're so glad you're here. We have Miss McCalligan and Miss Walsh joining us today. What better thing in the entire world than have to those two wonderful faces for you to gaze at as I read the announcements for you. So let's get into it. This month we're celebrating Asian American Pacific Islander Heritage Month. Each day will be featuring somebody who contributed and then also a book in our very own LMC. So we're going to start today with Dr. Wu, who's a Chinese American nuclear physicist. So known as the Chinese Marie Curie and the queen of nuclear research, Dr. Wu was born in China in 1912 and moved to the US in 1939 to pursue her PhD at California, Berkeley. As an experimental physicist, Dr. Wu made significant contributions to the study of nuclear physics, and as a member of the research staff at Columbia University, she played a critical role in the Manhattan Project, the research and development consortium led by the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom that first created nuclear weapons. Dr. Wu was a recipient of the inaugural Wolf Prize in Physics and was the first woman to serve as president of the American Physical Society. So, very cool. Thank you very much for your contributions, Dr. Wu. Our reading recommendation in our LMC is called Little Cricket by Jackie Brown. After the upheaval of the Vietnam War reaches them, 12-year-old Kia and her Hmong family flee from the mountains of Laos to a refugee camp in Thailand, and then eventually to the alien world of St. Paul, Minnesota. Check this out. It's called Little Cricket in our very own LMC. So for our 8th grade students, PTSO is selling yard signs. See announcements for the link. And also pizza this Thursday from 4 to 8. You can go ahead and grab some pizza at Pizza Crafters, and that will support our North tennis team. So without further ado, we have Miss McCalligan, Miss Walsh. What do you have to tell us? Take it away.
Oh, we are here to actually talk about next year's WEB program, which stands for Where Everybody Belongs. And we are looking for current 7th graders to apply to become web leaders for next year. Now, web leaders have such amazing qualities, and a lot of them, that I actually have a list to read off really quick. And if these things sound like you, let's not pay attention. So web leaders are enthusiastic to help out, are interested in working with 6th graders, are able to represent North in a positive way, no matter where they are. They are good communicators. You better be checking that Schoology every day. And they are fearlessly and unapologetically themselves.
Web leaders are primarily in charge of running our 6th grade orientation at the very beginning of the school year. But web leaders also check in with our 6th grade students from time to time throughout the year just to make sure everyone's okay and to help them learn a few things along the way. If you're interested in being a web leader, you should check your Schoology messages because we just got our teacher recommendation letters out to you guys via Schoology. If you didn't get recommended by a teacher, that is still okay. You can still apply to be a web leader. We have nifty little flyers with QR codes to our info video and the application, and they will be located in the student services office or the front office. And you pick one of those up and use that to help you find the application. The last thing I need to tell you guys is in order to be a web leader, you will have to be at some mandatory training dates. Those dates are August 16th and 17th from 8:30 in the morning until 2 p.m. in the afternoon. If you can't make those dates, unfortunately, we can't accept you into the web program. If you have any questions, feel free to talk to me or Ms. McCalligan, and we will definitely help clear a few things up. And again, this is for our current 7th graders or future 8th graders. Yes.
Everyone remembers they're awesome web leaders. So this is a great program. 7th graders, time to pay it back and be a web leader for our 6th graders. So that's really cool. Thank you very much for running this program, ladies. It is awesome. And one of those ones that makes a difference. So our ASCP word is depict, which means to show or represent by drawing. See, I represented a star and I represented a flower. So you're welcome for that. The word is depict. The 6th graders just completed World Religions Project where they use drawings to depict the different religions. So depict, that's your word. Now you know. Please prepare for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Make it a great day, North Stars. Thank you, Mrs. Walsh, Ms. McCalligan. The choice is yours.